Al Shots, global news in just 60 words. From switching on the television in the morning with your favorite cup of tea or the latest updates you scroll on your phone before you sleep, coronavirus is a definite discussion everywhere. At a global level, COVID-19 cases crossed 7.1 million mark and seems to be worsening with time as confirmed by World Health Organization. However, the situation is not similar in every country. Few countries like US and India who are reporting record rise in the cases, there are few countries reporting flattening curves as well. The United Arab Emirates is in fact one of them.
The United Arab Emirates has taken a blended civil-military approach that is worth watching. The authorities played a major role in safeguarding the panic-broken mindset of the citizens during the tough times of COVID-19 pandemic. They administered laws targeting the circulation of rumors about COVID-19, such as panic shopping, which are being rigidly enforced in order to keep civil control. The first confirmed case in UAE was announced on 29 January 2020. UAE was also the first country in the Middle East to report a confirmed case.
On March 15th, as the threat to COVID-19 intensified, His Highness Sheikh Mohammed bin Rashid Al Maktoum, Vice President and Prime Minister of UAE, met His Highness Sheikh Mohammed bin Zayed Al Nahyan, who is the Crown Prince of Abu Dhabi and Deputy Supreme Commander of UAE Armed Forces, to discuss the measures for the COVID-19 pandemic. Ahead of the meeting, they sent a message to people about the importance of health and wellness. They ensured that the nation's resources are fully utilized to overcome the crisis.
On March 16, Abu Dhabi Executive Council announced a new set of initiatives in the Gadan 21 to curb the spread of the virus. Many of these included stimulus packages for SMEs, waivers, and rebates, including the exemption of all vehicles from Abu Dhabi road tolls until the end of year 2020. On 22nd March, Dubai started an 11-day sterilization campaign as an effort to contain the coronavirus. Night curfew was imposed 4 days later, while the country began disinfection.
On the same day, UAE Cabinet approved 16 million dirhams to address the effects of coronavirus outbreak. The total stimulus package summing up to 126 million dirhams. Along with providing financial stimulus, the UAE government ensured stringent measures to curb the effect of COVID-19 pandemic.
The National Emergency, Crisis and Disaster Management and Civil Aviation Authority planned to suspend all inbound and outbound passenger flights on March 23rd. This was implemented for 2 weeks. UAE has always been particular and unique in implementing as well as abiding law and order.
To maintain social distancing, on 25th of March 2020, Roads and Transport Authority (RTA) ordered that no more than 2 passengers will be allowed in a Dubai taxi.
On 28th March, Abu Dhabi Crown Prince Mohammed bin Zayed announced that a new testing site has been opened. It is a mobile drive-through COVID-19 test center by SEHA.
A 3-day national sterilization drive was announced on 26th of March 2020. The drive was carried out till March 29, 2020 by the Ministry of Health and Prevention along with Ministry of Internal Coordination. UAE residents were recommended to stay inside their homes to ensure the safety and social distancing of the common people.
As on that same day, Dubai Executive Council, including Abu Dhabi and Sharjah, issued orders to implement 100% work from home until the threat of the virus is deafened. With Ramadan beginning on April 23rd, the nation's COVID-19 military, medical, and civil defense program involved a campaign that closed and disinfected mosques and Islamic facilities.
The UAE Civil Defense Plan called for the country to be clean for the pathogen by the Eid al-Fitr holiday celebrating the end of Ramadan on 25th of May 2020. The authorities successfully made it happen to ensure the safety concerns of the citizens during the holy month of Ramadan. the United Arab Emirates has successfully controlled the situation of the global pandemic within the nation. Abu Dhabi's Crown Prince Mohammed bin Zayed consulted with numerous world leaders concerning help and support to those in need.
Countries like Italy, Serbia, Iraq, Pakistan, and United Kingdom received aid from UAE in order to combat the deadly virus. From delivering financial support to medical resources, UAE showed the true solidarity and kindness that lies in the culture of this nation. The UAE authorities have constantly guided and safeguarded the health and the wellness of their people.
Currently, more than 38,000 cases have been confirmed in United Arab Emirates, out of which 21,806 have been recovered successfully and declared healthy according to the Abu Dhabi Public Health Center. With only 276 deaths, the UAE government is ensuring everything in their hand to curb the spread of this virus.
Private companies in UAE are now open with 100% capacity. Malls in UAE are also welcoming people back with an open heart, however, following precautionary measures. UAE is witnessing the flattening curve and people are switching to a new normal routine. The time is not far when UAE will declare itself coronavirus free. Till then, click the bell icon to keep watching updated news and bulletins around the world with Alshot's videos.